898 D40LF. You got that Bluebird Vision school bus over there, owned and operated by Boston Public Schools. I love the sound of those things when they take off. Them Visions look like they got a fast takeoff to them. 494 Boston Public Schools. Remember when Boston Public Schools had the tallest Freightliners and the Thomas International 3800s? I know they still have like safety liner C2s. What else we got over here? Ooh, this one's powered by propane. It's got the green bird on the side. HS308. Nice. Then you got that one, that Transit Bus 501. Brighton Express and Cambridge Street 0694. D40LF Cummins ISL. Engine in it.